Welcome to the Velvet Touch Brazilian Waxing Ritual. A gentle luxury created to love your skin. Soft, radiant, and timeless. Just as beauty should be. This method is trusted in salons worldwide. From the USA, UK, Canada, Australia, and Germany. It's where comfort meets elegance. It's where smoothness feels like silk. This isn't ordinary waxing. It's refined. It's crafted with care. Every touch is lighter. Every result lasts longer. Waxing should never feel harsh. It should feel calming. It should feel like a ritual of renewal. That is the promise of Velvet Touch. Aftercare is a love story with your skin. Moisture that lingers like a soft embrace. A glow that lasts, without irritation. Gentle oils. Calming creams. Tenderness in every step. Your skin deserves to shine. To glow with confidence. To feel smooth, fresh, and healthy every day. Velvet Touch makes waxing more than a task. It becomes a ritual. A ritual of self-love. A ritual you'll look forward to. With every session, your skin becomes softer. With every touch, your confidence grows stronger. It's beauty you can see. It's elegance you can feel. For lasting beauty. For lasting confidence. Discover the Velvet Touch Brazilian Waxing Ritual. Like, comment, and subscribe for more luxury self-care.